Largestar copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer. Alpha 3 rounds. AT delay in effect. 3 guns. Bravo 2 rounds. 2 guns. Smoke on effect.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Andrew with the Options Millionaire community coming out with another video explaining today's awesome price action and the crazy amount of profits that we made in the room. As we all know, Jpow came out today and said that tapering should begin in November 2021 and end in mid to late 2022. So the tapering flag has been set in stone, and now the market's reacted to it. We had a huge downside today, and we actually ended up with a 106% profit. It's the second 100+% gain we've had in the room, and several people made a lot of money. But more importantly, our levels, once again, our support and resistance levels were the star of the show, even more than the 106% win. The levels took the cake and showed us that, once again, the volume analysis is the way to go. Let's dig in and take a look at what happened. All right, let's go ahead and dig in right here. This is this morning and this afternoon's chart. The day is still rolling, so the price is still going to be updating. But the first thing you see right off the bat is all the purple rectangles. And what that means is I draw those on my chart around my levels to show where the price actually consolidates around my proprietary levels. You can see you have R2 and R1 and then S1 through 4 here. They all work out beautifully, and every single level is respected all day long. So we pop open first. We begin the day just bouncing off of R1. I said in the pre-market that SPY would not climb higher than 30 cents above pre-market highs, and we almost nailed it down to the cent. Here is a pre-market high of 434.50. We went up to 434.67. That's about more than 30 cents, just a share more than 30 cents. I'll consider that a win. We fell back down, once again consolidated around R1, and this is about the time when Jpow started coming out talking. Once he announced that the tapering was going to be finished in 2022, bam, the market fell out. Once I heard that word taper come out of his mouth, I looked to make sure we confirmed downside. I entered the puts. I took right about here the 10.25, 45.40 puts. I got in with a fill of $10.50, and we just blasted on down. And what I was looking for, I was watching my levels to make sure they're going to be respected. So here we go. We consolidated. I was having my finger on the sell button, popped on down. Every time we consolidated, I would wait. I would be very cautious, popped on down. Same thing, consolidate, pop on down. All the while, I'm monitoring my watch list. I'm clicking back and forth between tech, consumer discretionary, healthcare, finance, industrial, consumer, all these things. I'm making sure that the entire market is rolling. I don't want anything propping this thing up or causing a big green candle to smoke my put. So I'm keeping complete market awareness on all the X's. I'm keeping complete market awareness on the top 8 of SPY, which is up here, making sure that everything is falling in line, and every single thing on that list was falling, tanking. And I was clicking back and forth like a madman the entire time. So we came on down, we blasted to the bottom of S4, and once we came down here and consolidated, I realized we weren't going to fall anymore. I exited the position. I got a $21.70 fill for a 106% gain. And that was the second 100% gain win of the Discord server. So many people made a lot of money. I know there were some people that took 0 DTEs that made over 300%. A bunch of profits, man. Everyone made a lot of money. And the great thing is that they were using their own analysis based off these levels. And you can even see after that, S3 consolidated, came up S2 and S1. Now we're just bouncing back and forth and just respecting those levels greatly. And I'm very curious to see where the rest of the day plays out. I'm expecting a little bit of downside, and we're going to play to that. Still holding some October 29th puts that I bought yesterday, and we'll see how those continue to play up now. That's really all I got. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this trade, please come over in the Discord, shoot me a DM. I'll be happy to answer any questions as fast as possible. And join the community, an awesome educational resource where we have collective educational knowledge. We bounce ideas off each other. We give constructive feedback and try to move that needle towards profitability. Thanks for being here. I'm out. See ya.